So you think you were right?
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Cove. Today's video is going to be another what I eat in a day pregnancy edition, and I also wanted to do like what my toddler eats in a day with me, and I was gonna make it like all vegan, but she wants to eat eggs for breakfast, and I also don't want to film her because she doesn't have a shirt on. So that's how this video is starting out so far, but I wanted to show you guys kind of like what we eat in a day typically. I always say none of us are like actually vegan, but when I watch what I eat in a day videos, I'm always looking for ideas of like easy vegan things to make. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I'll show you breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and everything that I'm making for myself will be vegan, but I'll show you guys what Cove eats in a day too, just like to be realistic, because I don't want it to look like she's only eating vegan food when she is not. So she's currently eating a peach. That's her favorite. Can we put your shirt on?
No.
No? Okay. Anyways, today I want to show you guys my favorite summer oatmeal recipe. Super, super easy. Really not anything fancy like at all, but I have my water boiling over here. Usually Cove and I will share this, but again, today she wanted to eat eggs, so she's having eggs and a peach, and I am going to make my oatmeal.
You know there's a
What are you eating, Coco? Eggs. Yeah, you're eating some of Daddy's eggs. Should I put yours in your own bowl, or do you want to just share with Mom?
Mama?
Share with Mama. Okay, this is my peach. Oh, you want to hug Mom? Are you kissing me? For this oatmeal, I have my peach, cinnamon. This is vegan whipped cream that's so good. And then I also like to put honey on it. So I'm gonna cut up my peach.
Mama?
Yeah, Mama's peach. I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time. Oh, I think last time I did one, Cove, was maybe like 18 months. So I guess that was probably like 6 months ago. We usually eat breakfast at like 8-ish. It's 8:40 right now, so we're eating a little bit later. We got Mama's oatmeal. Do you want some? Yes, it is very hot. And then you could add coconut milk in. That's what my mom does, which is probably really good, but I just don't have any of that. So I'm adding in my peaches. I'll do usually like half a peach in each of our bowls. And we're gonna put whipped cream. Do you want some whipped cream? This is obviously not the healthiest, so I like to just add like a little bit. It's the best part, so you can't skip it. Then cinnamon and honey.
Mama?
Oh, you wanna help Mama? Thank you. All right, now I'm gonna put this away. This is what it looks like. Usually, I feel like when Cove was littler, I would always make her the same thing as me just to like make it easy. But now that she is a little bit older and has her opinions, we do usually give her an option of what to eat. Like she can have what Mom's eating or what Dad's eating. We don't do that as much with other meals just because lunch is usually like a little bit more complicated. Like breakfast is always just super easy, and then dinner, if we're like making a big meal, she just eats what we eat. This is what I have today. I have a couple different prenatal ones, but I'm gonna take these gummies today. We take 2. This is what I have for her. Multivitamin. I want to get her like a gummy or something, so I feel like she would like it, but oh, you spilled. And it would probably be a little bit more clean. See you guys either at lunch or if she wants a morning snack.
show me what you can do.
So it is lunchtime now. I have been shooting some stuff. Parker took Cove to the grocery store. I usually order my groceries once a week on Instacart, but yesterday they were out of a couple things, and one of those things was kale, which is what I'm using for my salad that I wanted to show you guys. So I sent Parker to the store to get some kale. So I'll show you guys really quick. A Parker grocery haul. Definitely not vegan. He has ramen, shrimp pad thai, pretzel bites, pickles. So if you guys want to know what Parker eats in a day, something like that. Anyways, I think they're outside, so it's peaceful and quiet, and I'm gonna take this time to show you guys what I am gonna make for lunch. For lunch for me, I'm gonna make a salad. My mom showed me the salad. I think it's like from Instagram or something. I don't know. Usually I like to use the bagged kale that's already chopped up. Parker said this was all that they had, so there must be some kind of bagged kale shortage or something. You also need sunflower seeds and hemp seeds, and then white beans. And my mom puts avocado in hers. I don't really love avocado. I'll eat avocado toast, but I recommend putting the avocado in the salad if you like it. Just like chop it up really really small, and I'm sure it would make it great, but I skipped the avocado. Yeah, I'm gonna get out my bowl and stuff to make this. And for Cove, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make too. I like to use kind of a bigger bowl versus like a cereal bowl just because I feel like it fits better. I'm gonna put in some kale. I don't actually measure these. These are the sunflower seeds. I just like sprinkle some in. Same for the hemp seeds. And then for the beans, I also don't like specifically measure these. I have a third measuring cup just to like scoop them out. So I do about a third, but again, it doesn't have to like actually be exactly that much. And then for the dressing, I'm gonna do a little bit of olive oil. I also don't measure this either. Then I have Dijon mustard, so a little bit of that. And then just like a squirt of maple syrup, like that much. And salt, pepper, and juice from like half of a lemon. Pretty sure there's a life hack that you can like microwave lemons and then you get more juice out of them. And I'm just gonna mix that up and taste it and add whatever I need to add. Then you just dump it and mix it all up. Started making Cove's lunch, and then she came in and was super sad because she wanted to take a nap already. So if I didn't already say, it is 11:45. Usually I make her lunch at 11:30 and then she will take a nap at 12, but she's tired a few minutes early and she probably ate snacks at the grocery store because the goldfish bag is open. So I'll show you guys what I was gonna make her, and then I'll feed that to her when she wakes up. But I always try to do something super easy for her lunch. I have this falafel from Trader Joe's, which I actually am gonna heat one of these up and try to put it in my salad and see if it's good. But for Cove, I was going to do 2 falafels, and she also loves corn. So frozen corn is always super easy. So I try to do some type of like protein or something, and then a veggie, and usually a fruit. So I was gonna do blueberries for her, or I have some watermelon cut up. So I'm gonna have salad and watermelon. And then I also had some beans in the fridge randomly. So I was heating those up for her too. I feel like usually her lunches are kind of just like random things like that. Like I don't necessarily cook a food or like cook a meal or something. It's always like just easy stuff that I can like throw together on her plate. So I'll make that for her when she wakes up and show you guys. Actually, I'm probably also gonna have sparkling water too. I have this brand from Target is so good and Gather. This is a grapefruit one. My favorite is strawberry mango, but it's like always sold out. So for now I have grapefruit, and that is my quick easy lunch. I'm always looking for stuff that takes like 10 minutes to like get everything out, make it, and put everything away. I think I'll do 2 falafels for mine. I was only gonna do 1 in case I don't like it on the salad, but even if I don't, then I'll just like eat it plain. So those are super easy. You just like stick them in the microwave. Falafel taste test. It is good. Good morning. Can you say hi? Yes. Mama is gonna make a smoothie with you. So we have our blender, which is the best little mini blender. Oh, thank you. We're gonna make a little chocolate protein shake. We have frozen bananas. You putting in the protein? And then I have chocolate protein powder. This is my first time actually using this one. This is the Simple Truth one. I usually have one from either Cara or Thrive Market. Next we have spinach. You wanna help put some in? So super easy. Bananas, protein powder, almond milk, and spinach. Yay! Gonna help Mama pour the milk?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this on and it's gonna be a little bit loud, okay? Dad just offered you some pickle.
You don't like
it's
sour?
Not good.
Or like dill?
Oh. No, thank you, Dad. No, thank you. I got you a cup too. Yeah, what's in there? There you go. Try that. All right, this is Coco's afternoon snack. She's got her green smoothie. She loves carrots. These can be a choking hazard, so I cut them in half, but they're healthy, so I like to just cut it and give it to her. She has some hummus, a couple chips, some beans, some blueberries, and then I just stuck some spinach on there just for the heck of it, even though obviously she is not liking it, but that is her snack. That's what I like to give her if I'm in charge of her snack for the day. Usually Parker is, and she has like goldfish and stuff, but today I'm in charge of snack time, so I usually will do some kind of like a little platter like that. We don't always do smoothies, but since I had the spinach and the protein powder, I wanted to do that today.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
All right, so it's time for dinner. It's 5:45, and tonight we are having veggie bowls. We actually haven't had this in like a really long time, but this is one of my favorites, and it's pretty easy, especially because Parker just like microwaved the rice and the sweet potato. So we have microwave rice. You just roast whatever veggies. So we have broccoli, corn, and chickpeas. So he did these at 425 for like 15 or 20 minutes. We have this tahini dressing. So that's what we're doing. Parker's also making chicken for himself. So I'm gonna put rice in everybody's bowl, putting in sweet potato. These bowls are also really good for like meal prep. Usually we make extra. We only had one sweet potato for some reason, but even if you make extra sweet potato and extra veggies, the rice is really easy to make more of if you just stick it in the microwave. Next, I'm putting in the other veggies. Then we have the dressing. And then I like soy sauce on my rice too. Mmm, so good. Coco has the same thing. Parker's gonna have the same thing, but with chicken.
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die.
All right, so Cove is now in bed. I'm also in bed. It's literally 7:47 p.m. Cove goes to bed at like 7:30, and I usually get in bed like shortly after she does because by the end of the day I am dead. But I do always have a nightly snack. I don't usually have tea, but this is raspberry leaf tea, which is supposed to maybe help you with labor. I forget what it even does. I drank it with Cove and I had a really good labor with her. Don't know if it actually does anything, but you know, might as well try. So Parker made me this, and then we have a bunch of peaches from like a little local orchard that we went to. So I'm also having 2 peaches. So yeah, I gotta have my night snack. It's also like really dark, so I have the lighting like as bright as it can go, so it's gonna be super grainy. But anyways, that is everything that I ate in a day. Hope you guys found this video useful with some easy meal ideas. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm gonna try and do for my next video like everything that I bought for my baby. I did a video like that with Cove and just showed literally like every single thing I had for every single category right before I had her, and I really like that video, so I'm gonna try and do that. And then I feel like that would maybe be my last video before I actually have the baby, because I don't know when she is gonna actually come. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see anything else, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.